Are you not good at drawing, graphic design, or coding but want to create an NFT? Well, in this video, I will go over 8 items that can be sold as an NFT, and you do not need to be good at none of these things. So first, what is an NFT? It's a non-fungible token item, but what does that mean? NFTs can be anything you literally want, and it's unique and it cannot be replaced with something else. Put it like this, an actual dollar bill is a fungible token, as in if you hand me $1 and I hand you back another $1, it's all even. Sure, they have different serial numbers, but the result is the same. On the other hand, if my dollar is the only one in the world to have LeBron James' autograph on it, then it becomes a non-fungible. You do not need to be good at drawing to create an NFT. It can literally be anything, so let's talk about these 8 things it can be. Number 1, your YouTube videos. You can upload your YouTube videos to an NFT marketplace for your subscribers to buy. This can be great for those who really want to resonate with your videos and want to support as a token of purchase. It could be a digital autograph. Of course, if you want to add utility tokens to the owner of NFTs, you can add perks of what they receive if they are the owners, such as maybe a cool gift, the first person to get inside details before you announce to the world, or a day in the life with you, and so forth. Number 2, maybe you like to write poetry. Maybe you have a journal filled with poems. This is also something you can take a picture of your journal and create it as an NFT. Number 3, your music. As an artist, your music can be an NFT. You can market your music NFT to your fans, and many fans can buy your music NFT, and they will receive royalties every time a buyer sells it to someone else. Number 4, photography, collages, an image of yourself or anything else you can take on your phone or create, you can create it as an NFT. Number 5, digital art such as logos, illustrations, cartoon characters, 3D images. Those are considered NFTs. Collectibles, maybe you have a collectible or a digital trading card or some type of collectible that is very rare. You can create that as an NFT, and those can be sold on the NFT marketplace. Number 8, gifts. You can literally make a gift of yourself or things that are around you, such as like art or something that you may have in your phone. You can literally create gifts and make it as an NFT and sell it on the marketplace. That is so cool, right? So these are just 8 things you can mint as an NFT, and there are way more things to mint as an NFT to basically make it an NFT. Remember, you can earn royalties and earn passive income every time someone buys and sells your NFT to another person. If you are an artist or understand sales and marketing, or currently do sales and marketing for your art, minting your art as an NFT will be a great idea for you and offer your fans or customer another way to connect with your art and support you. So for anybody watching this, make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and go out and start creating beautiful art of your choice. And hopefully I can see your NFT somewhere on the web one day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.